Hi, I'm James Hankey. I'm going to show you how to set up a practice test. Let's get started by opening your welcome email. Click on the link to access qiactive.com. Set your password. Accept terms and conditions. Create a practice assessment session. Make the practice client profile and save. Then, select the test you want to practice. Enter date and time for administration. Tap Send to iPad and your practice session is ready to go. Log into the Assess app on both iPads using the same login credentials. Enter username and password. Your complete library is downloading now. The iPads will connect when starting the assessment, and both iPads have been configured correctly. Once you're comfortable using practice assessments, you're ready to go live. Be sure to check out the Support tab on Central for detailed guides and videos. Thank you.